Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Debbie Sherwood. Debbie's running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Debbie. So I wanted to talk to you today about working together. As you may know, in the past, councillors have seemed to butt heads quite a bit more often and maybe had a little bit more public disputes. Moving forward, how would you deal with a problem along those lines, and what would you do to make sure it doesn't happen in the future?
Well, thank you, Bradley. First and foremost, I will not be going to council with any personal agenda. We will have 7 people with possibly 7 different opinions. That makes for good engagement, and I'll be open-minded to all those different thoughts and opinions. Council needs to work as a team to ensure that they are working in the best interest of the town residents and not moving forward with proposals that deliberately raise taxes due to personal issues they may have with fellow council members. I will work hard to bring back unity to the council chambers and work in the spirit of cooperation with integrity and work collaboratively to make educated decisions that are in the best interest of the whole community. I will have the utmost respect to my fellow councillors, staff, citizens, and surrounding communities. I consider myself to be a good listener, and I believe that earning your respect is something that is taken for granted. It's something that I must always do. Being accountable and transparent with every decision I make is an absolute promise I plan on making to you, the citizens, as I'm your voice representing you.
Well, thank you very much, Debbie, for coming in and answering that important question. If you'd like to see more of what Debbie has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thank you for watching.